We are doing a workout today for all levels that's really focused on being grateful. We're going to be grateful for ourselves, for this body that we have, for this mat that we have, and for a few moments to simply move. So we're going to start seated in whatever position is most comfortable for you. You can sit in a chair or on a block or simply on the ground. And you're going to inhale both arms up and exhale, arms down. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, arms down. On this one, bring just your right arm up and then exhale, reach over. So we're going to do a full body movement routine today. Come back up, right arm down, left arm up and over. That's going to focus on breathing, on strength, flexibility. You'll get a little bit of everything. And again, I want you to really focus on what it is that you can be grateful for about yourself, about your body in this moment. And even if that just means that your body's here, okay? That might be all, right? One more time, both arms up. That might be all we have the capacity for, and I understand that. Rotate, right arm back, left arm to your knee. So maybe all you can really be grateful for is that your body is here with you in this moment, and that's okay. Arms up, other way. But to me, as a practitioner, as a physical therapist, as a teacher, as a movement instructor, both arms back up. And now we're going to reach both arms forward and just let yourself fold over your legs. So in the capacity of all those things I do, one of the most important pieces is that I can help you understand that your body is here with you on this earth and that you work in partnership with it. Okay, roll yourself back up. We're going to do that one more time. Arms up. Reach forward. And there may be times that you're not happy about that. There may be times your body frustrates you and is discouraging and makes you sad. And believe me, I've been through it and I have fought with my body with all the conditions I've had. Roll back up. But a moment finally came when I needed to take care of it because we are here together. And that's what I want you to find a little bit of today. So let's bring the legs in front of us, mat distance apart. Okay, bring your arms in front and you're going to exhale to reach and inhale, restack. Exhale, reach. This is called spine stretch. It's a very traditional Pilates movement. So we're not doing a really deep forward fold, you'll notice. I'm doing a rounding of the spine, seeing if I can reach towards my toes or even maybe past my toes, and then really intentional to roll back up. One more. Reach, 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 reach. Restack. When you come back up, hands come behind your head and rotate to your left and then center and right and center. Feel like you are trying to sit up, even lifting up out of your hips. Okay. This, I know, can be a lot easier said than done. When you have tightness in your hips, it's hard to sit in this position. I understand. Just see what you can do. That's all we're here to do, is just kind of listen to our bodies and see where we're at. Good, last one. And back to center. Arms come back down. Bend your knees. Legs come together, and I want you to hold behind your thighs. Inhale nice and tall. And then exhale, curl your tail. And you're just going to roll back just until your arms extend. And then just roll and sit back up. And if it is more comfortable for you to sit with your legs apart and do this, then that is fabulous too. You can just be right here, okay? So however much space you need in your hips and in your body, give it to yourself. So So now on this one, we're gonna roll all the way down onto our backs. So if you need to just lay to your side and roll down, that's fine. Or if you are able to slow yourself down, that's wonderful too. Okay, bring the feet in a little closer towards you, and your legs are gonna be hip distance apart. Inhale, exhale, curl, roll yourself up. Inhale at the top. Exhale, roll down. So we're filming this in the week and a half before Thanksgiving here in the United States. And I myself have had a habit for a long time of doing a little bit of movement routine on Thanksgiving morning. Just me and my mat. I try to go somewhere quiet, even if it's just 10 minutes, to ground myself and be grateful. And we talk a lot about being grateful. It's not a cliche. I think it's what we need to find really in life is gratitude. But I think a piece we miss is gratitude for ourselves. We always think about gratitude we have for other people, but we don't always think about it for ourselves. So whether it's using this routine or simply having a reminder, I want you to try to put yourself into that category of gratitude as well. What can you be grateful for about yourself, about this body that you have? What has it given you? When mine frustrates me, when I'm in pain, when I'm flared up, when I have to go in for more tests, I always remember that. I have the very specific thing I am grateful for, that through all the trials and tribulations and everything, I have 2 children that my body fought to give me, and I am grateful every second for that. So that's what I personally come back to. That's my honesty with you today. I come back to that and remember that. So one more of these. Whatever it is in your lifetime that you can think of that your body may have given you in any way, shape, or form, even one moment of pleasure or joy, I want you to hang on to that. Okay, hang on to that in the times that it might frustrate you, because we need to be partners with this body. Nice job. Reach the left leg out. Pull the right knee in and just give it a really good squeeze. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. And then reach the leg up and point your toes. And we're gonna do leg circles. You're gonna lower it slightly to the left as you reach down towards the ground, and then we bring it around to the right and back up. So I'm drawing a big circle with that leg, and you can make it as small as you need to, that it feels controlled to you. Okay, it just needs to be a controlled motion. Reverse directions. Nice. Try to relax your head and neck, relax your fingers, relax your thoughts. Pull the knee in. Keep your left hand on the knee and bring it to the left as you look over to the right. And then back to center. And we'll switch legs, so give that left knee a really good squeeze. Our joints need compression. Okay, it's good for them. We release fluids when we do that. We're helping our organs when we compress that hip. So really give it as much of a squeeze as you can. And then let's reach it up. Point the toes. Lower down to the right, around to the left. You might have circles the size of a golf ball. You might have circles the size of a dinner plate. You might have bigger than that, but again, it doesn't matter as long as it's controlled for you. Switch directions. Last 2. And 1. Nice job. Pull the knee in. Right hand on the knee. Bring it over to the right as you reach and look to the left. And pull that knee back in. Hug both knees in. Reach your legs out straight. Place one hand on your heart and one on your belly, or maybe just arms rest at your sides. Take one big deep breath in for me. And exhale. And stay here as long as you need. And just know that I am grateful for you being here, for taking some time to share with me today.
Thanks so much for stopping by. Remember, subscribe to my channel and you'll be notified every time a new video comes up. Like and comment on this video and let me know what you thought. You can also always come over to jessicavalantpilates.com to find all the resources I have for living a healthy lifestyle, including full-length workout videos, healthy recipes, and a community I would love for you to be a part of. So I'll see you there.